In this video, I will share with you 5 tips that help us collect over 150 addresses every week with zero cost. Hi, my name is Alicia and I'm happy to share my knowledge with you on how to collect your store visitors' emails. As a part of a team of digital marketers and developers who work on online business solutions, I'd like to review the tools that, in our experience, work best for this purpose. We have a long history of running dropshipping stores and helping others to benefit from this business too. By the way, thanks to our solution, you can launch your own independent online store for only $147. And to give your newborn store a boost, you should certainly experiment with email marketing, especially as it requires little to no startup costs. So, what strategies does our team recommend? I will focus on 5 tips that help us collect over 150 addresses every week with zero costs. Let's go! Put a subscription form on any page. This is probably the least aggressive way to collect the email addresses of the people who visit your website. Just place a subscription form where required, write an appealing call to action, and wait until somebody kindly inserts their email there. Remember that the text around this form should make it very clear what's the reason for the visitor to leave their email. Otherwise, why would anyone make the extra effort? Request emails during the purchase. If you don't want to wait passively for emails but don't want to annoy your clients either, here's what you can do. Make writing an email a must-take step within the ordering process. It's a win for both sides. You get the desired address and the buyer feels much safer about the purchase. They know you can easily notify them about the order status, tracking code, and other details. Surely it's a very natural way of communicating with your actual buyers, but how can you collect the emails of those who have left your store without making a purchase? Here's a couple of extra ideas. Ask blog commenters to give their emails. In our experience, a built-in blog can greatly improve your store performance. Check out this article to learn why. And managing comments is a part of running your blog. Think about making it obligatory for readers to write their email addresses if they want to leave comments. A great benefit of this strategy is that it lets you identify and target a warm audience, the visitors who are already interested in your offers. Now, as you have their emails, it's just a matter of several catchy letters to convert these fans into buyers. Offer discounts in exchange for an email. As a rule, a chance to get a financial reward makes people more willing to cooperate with the company. Tease a discount system that works exclusively for the users who have registered on your website. Seeing a benefit for themselves, they will become more likely to leave their emails and you will collect new addresses in your database. Collect emails through pop-ups. In our experience, this is the most efficient way to collect store visitors' emails. As a moving element, a pop-up catches the viewer's attention instantly. The trick here is to not make it really annoying to your store visitors. So think about how soon it will appear, what it will look like, and what exact value it will bring to your potential customers. For more detailed instructions on making fun and efficient pop-ups, check out this article. And what should you do next when your email database starts growing? We have an answer for this too. You will definitely like our experience-based tips on writing emails that sell and reaching your customers with follow-ups or automatically sent email sequences. Find the link in the description. Oh, I have one more thing to share with you. If you're not sure that you'll get your emails right at first, you can get help from experts. Check the services section on our site and find an email setup service. What do you get by ordering an email marketing setup? Responsive follow-ups in MailChimp, time-saving custom email templates, a detailed guide explaining how to create follow-ups in MailChimp service, and 4 effective lead generation schemes explained. I hope you now have a clearer image of your future email marketing strategy. Put these tips into practice and enjoy their effect. And if you want to keep receiving e-commerce advice, just don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter. Yes, we do have our own subscription form on our site. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will be excited to see you next time. Bye!